Alright guys, today we are going to be doing a stihl fc55 carburetor fuel lines. I'll put all the parts in the description below. It's everything you need. Fuel lines, air filter, carburetor, fuel filters, spare primer bulbs, spark plug, gaskets, everything you possibly need to do this job. First thing we're going to go ahead and do is take off the air filter cover. Take the air filter off. We've got two 8mm nuts here and here we need to remove. Sometimes they're a little tight to get in, socket in. I use 1/4 inch drive. Once you've gotten the one out, the other one will kind of move around a little bit. Still got to force it in though. There it goes. It's just when they get dropped, these get hit and move a little bit, and then it makes it tight to get these sockets in. Alright, I'm going to take this gas cap off now and dump out all the old fuel. We want to start with brand new, fresh, clean, new gas, and we want to make sure the tank is completely clean as well. With a pair of needle nose, remove the fuel lines. Slide this out, and then the cable, hold on. The cable should just slide right on out. See, just push it down, slide it right on out, and the carburetor will pull right off after that. There we go. Take the gasket off. This will lay back in there once you where did that go? Like this. Oh, like that. There we go. It slides in a hole up here, this little spot. Alright, we're going to pop out the fuel line, flathead screwdriver, get up under the grommet, and just pry up. Just like that. Ooh, why is this thing stuck? Oh yeah, nice. Filter stuck. There we go. There we go. And there was nothing wrong with this. We're changing it out anyways, so we don't have any issues. The line that goes all the way through. This is the bottom side. Put the filter on it. And filter down in the hole. Get this out of the way for a minute. What we're going to do is get the back in first, and then with a flathead screwdriver slowly push the front in until it all clicks into place. There we go, just like that. New carburetor. Gaskets. We need the new gasket. You want the little hole pointing down so it lines up with that hole and lines up with that hole. That is the vacuum line that runs your fuel pump. That's built into your carburetor. Slide this in. Short fuel line goes to the bottom, long fuel line goes to the top. this thing all up in my way. Get in there. It's a tight fit, but you want that. You don't want any leaks. Alright, that's all good. This behind the carburetor. Find the little hole that it sits into. Cable is going to get set back into the throttle before we get any of this too far. There we are. Find the spot it sits. Push this back. Boom. That's in place. Second gasket, doesn't matter which way it goes, just get it on there just like that. Then air filter assembly, we want the choke arm this direction. 2 8mm nuts, one at a time, get them started on there. Air filter. Actually, before we do that, let's put some gas in the tank. Alright, we're going to go ahead and prime it. Yeah, she's priming up. That's a good sign. Alright, air filter in place. Cover back on. Choke, prime it. We've already primed it though. Full throttle. It fired. Take it off choke. Alright, idle's a little low. Let me get resituated here. Idle screw is this bottom one. We're going to want to turn it in clockwise. Maybe just a couple turns. Perfect. Idle's good now. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. All the parts I'll put in the description below. I use HIPA's parts. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.